Hi guys, it's Rafael from European Cigar Squad. Today I'm reviewing Room 101 Chief Cool Arrow, and it's figurado size. I don't know exactly the size. I think it's like a 6.5, 7 by 52. Yeah. So very good looking cigar. Has a very dark wrapper, slightly oily. It's a kind of few veins, few large veins and small ones. Has a tootsie wrapper. Yeah, it's visible seams. Half a cigar invisible, half a cigar visible. And aroma of the cigar, it's a hair aroma and earth and food. Food is so tiny. It's hard to smell anything. So let's cut it and see what kind of taste we have. Very good on the draw, and it has a orange citrus on the pre-light, cocoa and pepper. Right away, medium body cigar. Has a dark chocolate, a bitter chocolate. It has that citrus, orange citrus from the pre-light. It has a cocoa. It's like a powder cocoa. Spice and deep earth. Yeah, it's very earthy. Has a long finish. So let me smoke first third quarter of the cigar, see how cigar gonna develop, and I'll let you know. "15 minutes in, perfect construction, perfect burn line, a little bit uneven, but it doesn't affect any smoke. So what I can tell, the taste on the cigar, it start to get dark earth with the coffee bean, and also has a mild sweetness with the black licorice and nutmeg. And end of the palate, it's a lot of cedar, strong cedar and pepper. So pepper and that sweetness kind of lingering on top of my tongue. And retrohale has a very strong pepper, wood notes, and actually roasted nuts. So yeah, and cigar get on the full body now. So I'm gonna continue to smoke. I'm gonna smoke second, third quarter of the cigar and let you know if I have any changes. 40 minutes in, and I lost my ash just now. Big solid chunk. So what I can tell, second, third quarter of the cigar brought us that dark chocolate and orange citrus back, what I had in the when I just on the pre-light, and it's first couple drawer. So also end of the palate, I start to taste lots of leather, cedar, hay, and spice. And retrohale still has a very strong spice. Cigar get on a full body now, even strength now it's on the medium to full body. This cigar has a Lajero leaves, so that's why I have cigar gets so strong, but it's smooth. And now I'm kind of have a little bit buzz in my head, but it's pleasant, you know. I'm gonna continue to smoke and let you know if I have any changes. Hour 10 minutes in, and it's a Room 101 Chief Cool Arrow. So I'm in the beginning of the last core of the cigar, and taste wise, so that bittersweet chocolate, orange citrus, and so it's still there. And end of the palate, I start to taste strong espresso, leather, cedar, and sweetness. It's that nutmeg, remind me nutmeg, like it used to be first third core of the cigar. And the cigar get very creamy now. It's the smoke get very chewy, and cigar now it's still on the full body on the flavors, but the strength it's kind of on the medium now. It start to melting down a little bit, and retrohale actually start to get pleasant. It's less spice, still that roasted nuts and cedar. So I'm gonna continue to smoke and give you my last notes of the cigar. Hour 30 minutes in, and I'm gonna finish on this good note. So what I can tell about the cigar, last quarter of the cigar brought us chocolate, citrus, that orange citrus, lots of earth, lots of spice. Now I start to taste that spice lingering on top of my tank. Oil, the smoke get very oily, a lot of oil build up on my lips, and the end of the cigar has a leather, earth, and dark espresso. So cigar has a lot of dark notes. So for any of you who are gonna smoke the cigar, so make sure smoke the cigar very slowly. If you're gonna make a lot of puffs a minute, so the cigar get a bitter taste. But if you're gonna take couple puffs a minute, so it's gonna be pleasant flavors. So it's been Room 101 Arrow. So yeah, it's been Room 101 Chief Cool Arrow, and it's excellent smoke. You know, the price on this cigar between $13 and $15. I think it's the price a little bit high, but still it's very good, pleasant smoke. Make sure when you're gonna smoke this, smoke in the evening time, because it's very strong cigar, and cigar get on a full body now and strength medium to full again. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more reviews, and see you guys later.